Welcome back everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your tires and rims look brand new. Step by step we're cleaning the tires and the rims and getting rid of all the brake dust and dirt without damaging anything else. Let's get into it. So here's a look right now at my tires and rims. They are not the best condition. I don't know how long they have been going on without a detail because I recently purchased this car for a upcoming build series on my channel and I don't know how long this dirt has been on these tires, but it is pretty rough. This car has been going through a lot lately. It went through Florida and then now it's brought to Michigan, and then it had to sit for 4 months, so it built up a lot of stuff. But first you power wash everything off the wheels, and then after that we spray our brake dust remover, and this really gets everything off. It's a degreaser. You have to let it sit though for it to truly do its power. And then after that, you scrub everything in, of course. Make sure you get everything around your tires. This really works well. This product is actually really great. I might make a review on it. Then just spray everything off. It's pretty simple. Alright guys, now let's just power wash that off. And by the way guys, all these products you see being used in this video, I'm going to be linking them down below for you guys to go check out later, because these are some good products that are working pretty well and I recommend. So now we're going to foam up the wheel and then go in with my barrel brush all around all the sides. This works really well. I really recommend it because you cannot reach it with a rag. I used to use a rag and that would not work out, so just you guys need to go on these brushes if you're looking forward to cleaning your wheels. Then make sure you get all the lug nuts. You can use a different brush for this. It works way better with a little detail brush. I recommend. And then after washer, this is the final step. But you can also, after this, you can wait a little bit and put some tire shine on there. I did do that, but I didn't get to film that part because I had to wait for these to dry and I just forgot to film the next part. But I use the Meguiar's. It works really good. And here's their end result. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.